Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this tree math question 10 divided by 5 parentheses 1 plus 1. Try to solve by your own and comment in this video to get featured in our shortout list. Whatever your answer, please comment. So to solve this, we have to follow order of operation 10 divided by 5 1 plus 1. Why we are solving this? Because this is inside parentheses. Actually we will follow here the PEMDAS. First priority will be given to parentheses, so in that place 1 plus 1 what 2, so we will write 2 here, and in the next step we can simplify and write as 10 divided by 5 into 2, and in the next step 10 divided by 5 times 2 which equals to 10, and 10 divided by 10 which equals to 1. So here 1 is the right answer. Do you think this is the right answer? No, this is completely wrong. So what is the correct way? I will show you. We will write our question again. 10 divided by 5 times 2. So PEMDAS, multiplication division, both operations have same priority, and in that case we have to solve left to right. So first we have to solve this part. 10 divided by 5, what we get? 2. Okay, now times 2, and 2 times 2 which equals to 4. Okay, so here 4 is the right answer, and if you are senior, then check out our best product list in this video and watch this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.